In this video, I'll show you how to convert Bitcoin to USDC in Binance. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. First thing you're going to do is open up and log into your Binance account. If you don't already have a Binance account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will get you $100 in trading fee credits. After you've logged into your account, I'll show you two different ways you can do this. First, you're going to go tap on this wallet icon at the bottom right-hand corner. And from here, you're going to select Bitcoin out of this list. If you don't see it in the list, you can simply search for it using this magnifying glass icon right here. Search for BTC, tap on Bitcoin, and right here you'll see Convert BTC. Another way you can get there from the home page is going right down here and tapping on this trade icon. Select Convert, and you'll be on the same page. Under the From section, we're going to tap on this arrow, and we're going to select Bitcoin out of this list. And under 2, we're going to tap on this arrow, and we're going to look for USDC out of this list, and tap on it. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to convert into USDC, or enter the amount of USDC you want to receive. Tap on Preview. Then you're just going to confirm the transaction, and that's how to convert Bitcoin to USDC in Binance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.